I'm so glad I came to Kelley Wood's Kids and Teens Education Day. I wasn't really sure if I was going to be interested in working with kids and teens, but after being at her workshop all day, I feel really confident, and I think there's lots of kids and teens that really need our help, and it makes me feel kind of really lucky that I have some skills that might help kids and teens. We also did a lot of quick little exercises that would be good to use with any hypnosis clients. So Kelley Woods is a really famous person. She's written a book with Melissa Tears and with other people, and I'm really happy that I got to come here today. Thanks.
So I'm so happy that I took Kelley's class. It was fantastic. She has amazing information on how to work with kids and teens. My favorite part of it, honestly, was that we got to do all of the exercises for ourselves and really see them in action and the way that they can really help clients. I also love the fact that these techniques can be used with anybody, and I feel like it was worth every minute, and I'm so happy that I came to take the class. Thank you, Kelley.
Hi, I'm Nancy Hofferman. I'm really glad I took Kelley's class on working with kids and adolescents in hypnotherapy. I think my favorite, I like the whole class. I'm pretty sure I was in hypnosis during the entire time. But I think my favorite aspect of it is just all the great little tricks, not tricks, but techniques we learned that are really simple and can be used with adults or kids. So it was great. Thank you. Thank you, Kelley.
Hi, I'm Leslie Gamel, and I just took Kelley Wood's child and teen hypnosis class. It was wonderful, and it's great. You really get to get on the child's level, and you're playing, but it's work, and you're helping, and you get to use all sort of creative tools, and you can use these with adults as well. So anyone that's fearful of working with kids, it's no different than working with adults. It's very powerful, imaginative techniques that you can use any day. Anyways, thank you, Kelley. It was wonderful to take your class.
Hi, I'm Shannon Wallace, and I just spent a day in a class with Kelley Woods on kids and teens, and it was amazing. Such practical information that we can take and use to help people. If you have a chance to take one of her classes, I highly recommend it. Thank you, Kelley.
Hi, Miri Malkin from Vancouver, BC. I took Kelley's class for hypnosis for kids and teens, and it was fantastic. Kelley is an amazing instructor. She just gives very practical tools to everyone, and it makes it easy to go back and implement it on or with my my younger clients. Thank you, Kelley.
Hey, Paulette Deckers here from Everett, Washington. Just finished Kelley Wood's class for hypnosis with teens and children. Oh my God, I'm blown away. Not only is Kelley an amazing instructor, but the tips that we got here are very applicable to not only children and all adult clients. My favorite part of the whole afternoon was probably her props. She has some pretty amazing props which take you really back into childhood and kind of help you put you in the same mindset as your children and teen clients. That is the part that I absolutely loved about this course. Thanks so much, Kelley.